Still 21st September. I went to check and start my big Troy Bilt pony to fill up my guard spot. And I've got a fuel shutoff valve. Whenever I get done with it, I always run it dry. Put some good gasoline in it, and I had the fuel shutoff valve open, and I noticed gasoline running out of my air cleaner. That's a stuck float on the carburetor. Not that big a deal. Anyway, I pulled the float bowl off. The float was very minor stuck. It wasn't bad. Cleaned out the bowl, put it back together, and could not get the damn thing to start. Gasoline engine. You need fuel, air, compression, and spark. This machine has got no hours on it, so I feel confident the compression's just fine. Pulled the air cleaner off, and it's gasoline soaked. Wet paper does not let air through it. Whether it's soaked with water or soaked with gasoline, it won't allow the proper amount of air through the carb and into the combustion chamber. So that was my problem. I could have swore I had a spare set of filters for that thing, and I must have put them in that special place because I ain't found them yet. So I tossed everything in a Ziploc bag. Those two filters are going to cost me 40 bucks locally, but I'll go tomorrow and get some. It's pitiful. And you know, if they're reasonable, I'll get two sets, and I'll stick my spare in a Ziploc bag and put them on the wall by the tiller where I store it, so I know where in the hell I put the damn filters. I know I got some spares, but I cannot find them, and I've looked. So a little bit more work to do. The small engine repair shop and parts supplier is open tomorrow. My buddy Raul, he's right down the street, but he started limiting his inventory. He may or may not have them. There was a bigger one on the west side of town. It's a real nice place. They also sell new equipment, and everything's priced accordingly. I'm sure they'll have them. But minor setback. Not that big a deal. Y'all hear it running without the filters in it. It runs just fine. And when I run internal combustion engines inside the building, I'll open up a door and turn on the exhaust fan, so it does not set off my carbon monoxide alarms. But anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.